I'm L-R-E-E, full nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no full nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm L-R-E-E, full nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no full nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. That means she's scared, right? Put up in the winter, in the summer, pop out at night. Bragging on that nigga top, you better hold his head tight. Anyway, life's great, pussy still good. They still eating cake, wishing that a bitch rich. Got my foot up on their necks as a bitch should. On the grind, I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That means I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That means I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends.
Catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkers, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and love with watch, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around in the two to make back pillows in the back. Too many rounds in the Philly, thinking someone gon' get wet. How you gon' get me when you still on me? How you gon' do that? Snatch a Ruger bag, give a nigga a yak attack. I get my shooter whack, meat and cheese and that's the rat. It ain't nighttime but your tango, how you do that shit? Me and Glenn, fuck the single, how you do that, baby? Shit, I catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkers, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and love with watch, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you